In this video, we'll walk you through step by step on how to refresh and reset your For You page algorithm to discover new and exciting content. So if you scroll through the TikTok For You page but you don't see videos that are interesting or relevant to you, then watch this video to learn how to reset it and start over. We'll open our TikTok application and then go to the profile page. Once you get to the profile, you want to click the three horizontal lines at the top right and then open the settings and privacy. Once we get to the settings page, we'll scroll a little bit down and open the content preferences option where we'll find this refresher For You feed. Open it and we'll get to this page. It says here that they will show us popular videos to launch our new feed. Our profile, feed and inbox won't be affected, and the more we interact, the more personalized our feed is going to become. So let's continue and then tap on the refresh button. Once we do this, our For You page will be reset and we can reopen TikTok in order to apply our changes. Now the algorithm is going to follow what you like, comment on, interact with and so on, and it will start recommending you content based on that. And that's essentially how we can refresh the For You page in TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and I'll see you in the next video.